The public beta has arrived for Mojave, the latest update to Apple's macOS desktop operating system 10.14. Do you want to install it? Here are some thoughts. Apple's made a big deal out of the dark theme, and it's certainly nice to have. You can toggle it on and off in Mail, but otherwise you get a mix. If you change the wallpaper from the default Mojave, the translucent menu bar changes based on the background. That actually turns out to be a plus in some cases. For instance, I like as much black as possible in my interface, and now I get it in the menu bar. You've also probably heard about stacks for automatically organizing the desktop. That's good if you're okay grouping them by one of the old sort types or use the color tags. And as someone who uses screenshots a lot, but who can never remember the shortcuts, the new Command-Shift-5 shortcut to bring up all the options is terrific. Being able to jump straight into the new markup view to edit and annotate from the screenshot thumbnail is also really convenient. But you still can't easily choose a folder to save them in other than the system defaults. The new gallery view, which you may also know as a film strip view, is really useful for scrolling through images, and finally being able to see metadata is great. I love the ability to combine multiple files into a PDF right there, but at least in this beta there are some drawbacks, like the tiny thumbnails as well as some bugs with selections. And I don't want to leave out some passing little changes that deserve note, like separating the operating system updates into its own system preference, and the site icons that appear in Safari tabs. But some of the new features require iOS 12 to use, like the continuity camera. So if you're not updating your phone to the beta as well, you'll have to wait on those. There's so much more that won't fit here, so check out my hands-on of the public beta on CNET.